is Mary from Mary's Stamping Happenings, and this is There's a Card Thursday. I hope you really enjoy this video and cards, and if you'd like to purchase any of the products seen, you can go to my website at marytroutner.stampinup.net and click on Shop Now. Today we're going to be doing this card that I called a Swirly Bird Kite. What we're going to be needing is we're going to be needing the stamp set Swirly Bird, and also I'm going to be using Thoughtful Banners. The ink, Cucumber Crush, Delightful Dijon, Tip Top Taupe, Watermelon Wonder. Okay, and for cardstock, we're going to be using an 8.5 by 5.5 piece of Cucumber Crush, a piece of Whisper White, that's 2 by 4, and a piece of Watermelon Wonder, that's 3 by 3. We're going to be using some of the enamel dots. I've got these in Regals, but you can use any one. We're going to be needing the Big Shot, and we're going to be using the Swirly Scribbles Thinlits, and we're going to be using the big round wreath one. We're also going to need the impression folder, glue dots, and the fine tip glue. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to fold this in half, and in the C-side embossing folder, we're going to run that through the Big Shot, and it will come out looking like this. Okay, we're also then going to run this through the Big Shot, and we come up with this, and then we're just going to cut this in half, just like that. Okay, and we're going to put that aside. Okay, now we're going to stamp the flag, or the kite. So we're going to use this, and I will tell you what I do is I line this line straight up, right here, straight up and down, just like that. And then the other side I'll line up just like that. Okay, so right like that. And the Daffodil Delight. And line that up. Okay, then we're going to take the Tip Top Taupe, and we're going to stamp the kite tail, the string from the kite on that. Just like that. And then we're going to take the Watermelon Wonder, and we're going to stamp some of the tail bows on it, just like this. Okay. And then I'm going to make this a birthday card. So I've got from the Thoughtful Banners, I've got Happy Birthday, and I'm just going to stamp that on the bottom. And you can stamp anything, really. Okay, there we go. Okay, now we're going to, with the fine tip glue pen, we're going to see where we need to be. So we're going to attach like this, so that it just peeks out from. So with just a few little dots. And again, if you want to contact Stampin' Up, I've told them millions of times lately, at least once a month that we need the multi-purpose adhesive transfer sheets back. That'd make this so much easier. And there, and then we're going to put some on this side. Okay, just like that. Just again so it sticks out. And then we're going to take an enamel dot, if I can get them up, and we're going to put it right in the center of that kite. And you can do any of the shapes you want. And then I'm going to take glue dots, for There's Card Thursday. Thanks for visiting and happy stamping.